Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss a concept called options in Scala. Okay, so first of all we will try to discuss what is options. Option is nothing but a container which holds a sum of value or it returns the none. Okay, so we will try to see that into practical now. Okay, so let's try to define main method main aux array of, let's say, string. Okay, now we'll try to say Scala options. Option is a container which holds sum of value or it returns none. Okay, now we'll try to see practically what exactly mean to this. Okay, now we will try to create some sample list. Let's say 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, now we'll try to take a map of elements. Map of, let's say, 10 holds a name called Bala. Let's say 20 holds a name called Krishna. Let's say 30 holds a name called Rama. Let's say 40, let's say a whole name called Mahesh. So we have created a list and a map. Now we will try to access the both list and map. So let's try to print list dot find, let's say, grade of, let's say 50. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to access and validating a list. Is there any element which holds greater than 50? Okay, let's try to run and see this program, what result that we are going to achieve. See, it has returned none. Okay, as discussed here, container holds some of value or it returns none. If there is no value associated or exist in that particular list which we are going to scan, it returns the none value. Okay, now we'll try to see 30, let's say. Now we'll try to run this program. See, it has written sum of something, means 40 holds, means greater than 30 we do have 40. Here this underscore notation holds, it will try to scan all the elements against the list. It will try to whole list and it will compare and it will yield the result. Okay, now we'll try to see for get for the map. Okay, map dot, let's say, get, let's say 50. We'll try to access this. Now if we try to run and see, it has written none because there is no key associated in map for the value p 50. Okay, now we will try to keep it 40. Now let's run and see. See, it has written sum of Mahesh. For the 40 key, the value is mapped with Mahesh. So it has written sum of Mahesh. Let's say if it is for 30, it should return Rama. Sum of Rama. Okay. Now, what if I want to get only the values? I don't want to return the sum. Then that case, let's try to apply get method. So this will return the value from the See, it has written only the value. Okay. Now, what if, let's say, here it is 50, here it is 50, or let's say greater than 40. Now we'll try to run this option. Okay, what we can observe here, so in the list we don't see any greater than 40th element, or in the map we don't see any key associated with 50. Okay, hence it has written an exception. It is saying that no such element exception. It means, so if there is no key associated, it's getting program terminated and it's raising an exception. What if you don't want to encounter this exception? In that sense, there is a method called get or else. It's, we will try to define a predefined text. No name found. Okay. In the same way, let's try to create get or else here as well. Now we'll try to run it. See, it has written here there is no value in the parenthesis because we are not defined anything. Let's try to hold it 0. See, 0 has written no name found. So rather program termination and given raising an exception, we are giving some predefined value and text. Okay, so this is the advantage of get or create. Okay, now what else? If for example rather than 50, let's say 10, and here if it is greater than 30. Now let's try to see. So it is giving as usual value. So 40 it is giving greater than 30, and Bala it is returning for the key. Bala is mapped for the 10th key. Okay, so this is well and good. Now we will try to see another scenario. Let's say we will try to create an option type TION option of, and this return type is, this holds the integer type equal to sum of, let's say sum is blank. Now we'll try to access that. Let's say println of opt dot, let's say there is a built-in method called isEmpty. So using this we are going to check whether it is empty or not. Now let's try to run this. Option of int equal to sum. Okay, sum of, let's say sum 50. Okay, yes, because isEmpty means returns false, because we do have some value, that's why it's written false. Let's say I don't give any value, let's return none. Now we will try to see. It is written true because there is no value, it has written none. Okay, this is how isEmpty checks is there any value is associated or not. Okay, that's all for today's guys. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.